Maraming beses na kitang nilayasan, iniwanan na ibang pinuntahan. Parang babaeng ang hirap talagang malimutan. Ikaw lamang ang aking laging pinabalikan. Manila, I keep coming back to Manila. Simply ain't no place like Manila. Manila, I'm coming home. I walk the streets of San Francisco. I tried the rides in Disneyland. Dated a million girls in Sydney. Somehow I feel like I don't belong. Hinahanap kita Manila. Ang ingay mong kay sarap sa tenga. Mga jeepney mong nagliliparan. Mga babae mong nagaganda.
Hello everybody. Happy birthday to sa mga celebrants. For those who are going to be 50 and although hindi ako kasama doon, next year pa ako. Anyway, just want to say hi. Hope you had a good party.
Oh, good evening, batchmates, classmates. Kumusta na kayo lahat? Sorry, hindi kayo makakapunta sa reunion. Last year, nakita naman tayo yung mga iba dyan. But anyway, salamat sa inyo. Makikita natin ulit. Hopefully, next time, kukwento na lang sa amin ni Grace. At saka, more pictures sa Facebook para nandyan na rin kami. And we will be there virtually. Okay? Bye! Hello, everybody!
Si Cesar, si Irma, at saka si Ellen. How are you?
Ramiro.
Nandito na. Ayun.
Si Rolly, eto sa baba.
Promise me you'll never let go. Promise me you'll never let
Happy birthday.
Oh yeah.
Happy 50th birthday to everybody.
He's turning 50.
Turning 50. And by the way, we're here at Grace's house celebrating her 50th birthday.
Tayo na kaya dito ka ako sa side. Kita-kita ko eh.
Yeah, that's right.
I was wondering if there's any spoons around.
Merong gustong pumunta.
Welcome.
Welcome kayo.
August 6.
August 5 and 6.
Bukas ang bahay ni Rolly.
Paano si Rolly?
Ang money bag ng Fidel.
ang ingay mong kay sarap sa tenga.
Enjoy the reunion!
Carnation! How are you, Carnation?
Vincente.
Magnolia, Poinsettia, Carnation, Daffodil.
kayo dyan?
And the teachers. Hello, tsaka teachers.
Hi to my batchmates, batch 80.
Never let go. Manila, Manila.